This is the genuine Briggs 5143 tank to bowl kit. As you can see here, Seiko, there's Briggs plumbing there. Also here. This kit comes with the instructions here. And it also has on the instructions, here's the instructions themselves. See if I can get it that way. There you go. And then also here it shows the warranty. It's the instructions, and then of course it comes with the gasket itself. This gasket is a little bit tougher than some tank to bowl gaskets. As you can see, you kind of squish it here. It's got a lot less give than some do. Yours may have a hex pattern here. It's from the nut on the flush valve. This does fit a 2-inch flush valve. It also comes with the supply line nut here, along with the supply line washer, which just goes down inside of the supply line nut like that. And then you get the 2 washers, or the 2 support washers, and the 2 rubber washers here, and then of course the 2 brass nuts and bolts. We'll get a few measurements here. As you can see, it is, like I said, it's for a 2-inch flush valve. The other side outside, 3 inches all the way across. There's the supply line nut, a little over 1 inch, and right at 1 inch there. It's the washer for the supply line, about 3/4 of 1 inch here, and 1/2 inch there. The rubber washers for the bolts, 1 inch overall, both of those, and the support washer, a little less than 1 inch on those. Well, we'll do the bolt here, a little over 3 inches, and then the nut, 1/2 inch. Once again, this is the genuine Briggs 5143 tank to bowl gasket and kit.